Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to create a gradient text in Elementor for completely free. So I will use no other plugins, just Elementor free version. So let me show you. So just create a new page or any page that you are working on and then just click on plus icon here, and from here click on flexbox, and then I will choose this container here, and on the left hand side here you can see the content width, so I will make it full width here, and then from in minimum height I will just change the minimum height pixel to view height. So here I will just make the view height 60 here, so here you can see, and then I will just click on container settings here on 6 dots, then I will go to the style tab, and here I will click on background type classic, and then here I will choose the color here. So let me make it something like dark blue. So here it is. So let me make it something like this. Okay. So now I will go to my widget section here again, and I will click on plus icon. Then here I will just choose the text here, and from here I will just click on my container again, and then here I will go to the layout section, and here I will make the justify content center and align atom center here as well. So here it is. So now instead of inserting this, I will just insert a code here in the title section. So here is the code. So here you can see we have the text gradient, so it's looking quite good. So for example, if you want to change the text here, so you can see here it is text gradient. So I want to write it, for example, this is Elementor text gradient. So here you can see, here it is. If you want to change the color, so you can change the colors from here. So here you can see, here it is. So if you want to change the font size, so you can make it, for example, here it is 3, so now I will make it 30. So it's up to you. So if you want to change the colors, so for example you can change it from here something like this. So here you can see it's changed. So now in this color I will make it something like here you can see the texts, the colors are changing here. So I will share this code in the description link, so you can just copy paste and use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my channel, so kindly just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.